My grandmother was born and lived her entire life in the town, and my grandfather found this house. He really loved it from the start. So the house has actually been in the family for over 65 years now, I believe.
When it was first built, just like everybody else, they had an outhouse, so thank goodness that was fixed at some point in time.
Would have made potty training a little more interesting with our kids.
Glad we have the bathroom.
So this town has been a town I've loved for so long. There's just so much history here.
They started building homes on the street in the 1700s. So the two across the street were like 1710, 1763.
Wow.
So ours is 1873. So really it's kind of like the new kid on the block compared to the others.
I see what you did there. I see that.
A lot of homes in the area don't have shutters. I've been interested to see what it would look like kind of without those.
The thing with shutters too is they're just so much maintenance. I mean, you can see the shutters over here. They're starting to droop. They all need to be sanded down and painted. And if they come off, it'll give it a nice clean look.
That's a big change for me, but I'm not saying I'm unwilling to see what it looks like.
It's just hard for us to visualize any kind of extreme change, but I really am excited for the possibility. It's just, it's hard to take that leap.
It is.
So I think we have a good understanding of what needs to be done out here. So let's head inside and see what you guys want to get done in there.
All right.
That is the most beautiful doorknob, by the way, and this is super cool too.
What?
You never knew that was there?
No.
We've never even noticed that.
Come on, guys. Really? So the wind and ice and everything, just keep it nice and covered.
Well, now that I'm seeing all the quirks to it, it's really cool, but I mean, we always go in the back door, and when we have visitors, they don't even come into the front door either. So if this was like nice and beautiful, maybe we'd tell people to park outside and come in this way,
I have got to say, every time I come here, I just love this staircase. It is just so unique.
We've always just thought that this is one of like the coolest parts of the house because you really don't see these kinds of staircases ever.
The fact that they have this beautiful staircase is super cool, and I think that we need to showcase this so that they start using that front door a lot more than they are. So the dining room.
We like the space. We just want to have it be a little more functional and more of like an everyday space.
So earlier I went down in the basement and I see there definitely is the chimney back here. That was a flue for the old furnace that was in the basement. We're getting a new furnace here now, so this chimney will now not need to be here. So walls definitely coming down. We're gonna open this all up and make this space a little more usable.
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
Love that idea.
Ooh, sorry.
Sorry. It's a little
Careful.
little cramped in here. A little cramped.
Yeah, this is... Whoa.
Sorry.
We need a bigger kitchen! What is going on?
I know.
And I've noticed that this dishwasher is like in the worst place ever.
Yeah.
You know, you can't even come and go from the room.
No.
You guys definitely need a update on your plumbing.
We've been shot in the face more times.
Even there's no safe place in this room if you're using the sink. Like if you're sitting across,
kids get shot in the
kids eating their cereal. We'll get collateral damage and.
Like you're not safe.
Like, hey, Ma. Sorry. Well, the whole kitchen's a train wreck. So in that train wreck, you have this train wreck of a faucet.
Yes, welcome to our life.
That thing was deadly. I mean, you could take a kid's eye out with that water stream. We're actually gonna open up this wall, and then in the kitchen wall is the chimney that we'll take down from the roof all the way down to your basement, which will give us enough room to add a huge island and expand your cabinets into this massive new kitchen and dining area. Oh, and we'll definitely upgrade your sink and plumbing too. We're gonna reconfigure the laundry room, give you a bathroom, and then a mudroom. Now, when you use your back door, you can drop your boots and coats in a welcoming place. Today's sink, you go bye-bye. So today we need to get in the kitchen and open up the wall, find out where that chimney is. I'm gonna have to get up on the roof and just start chipping away, and we'll just keep caving this thing in until it's down to the basement. So the process of taking down the chimney, we gotta get up on the roof, we're gonna drop the bricks into the chimney. They'll eventually build up, so then we're gonna have to go back and cut a hole in the side of the chimney so we can start pulling all those bricks out as each one kind of caves in on itself. Whoa! Oh, jeez! I'm not a big fan of heights. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. The goal ultimately is to get the chimney down to the basement, and we have to do it really carefully. We don't want the brick to fall on the slate roof and crack the slate, which could potentially cause leaking later if we don't find where it cracked. Just a little tap, 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 and loosen it up a little and throw it in the hole. Not so bad, not so bad. Thank goodness it's over. It's a little shaky. Now we gotta get inside and we gotta cut a little hole so we can start getting those bricks out. Sweet. See you later, chimney. With that wall coming out between the kitchen and dining room, now we'll have a massive area to give the Mavroides the kitchen upgrade that they deserve.
Let's go in.
Whoa. Oh, man.
My
Wow.
gosh. Wow. This is unbelievable.
It's so much brighter now. This was such a dark
Yeah,
entryway.
dreary.
The carpet was very dark. Everything was dark.
I think my favorite thing is the curved staircase and just have the birds and the clouds just floating up the stairs.
It's like you're gonna go through the sky as you go up the
Just
stairs.
float right upstairs.
So no more using the back door. Everybody's gonna come in the front door,
everybody
walk into the
Absolutely.
entry.
House rules.
Yes.
Even our own mothers, front door.
Let's go check out your kitchen and dining room.
Oh, man.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
wow.
Oh my! It is just beautiful. This is, I cannot even put it into words. Oh my God, it is so pretty. Look. It's not spraying me in the face. Color is the best.
Yeah.
Just gonna make me cry. Truly, I have no words. Like, this is just the most beautiful place I've ever seen. Oh my gosh.
For her to have this happiness and feel like it clicked for their family, it just like, I almost don't have words to share like how that makes me feel after all the hard work.
I saw you crying.
Just a little bit.
I love that. Oh, this was another thing. During demo, we found this shoe in the wall.
What?
I don't know if it was one of your ancestors.
That is so cool. What a special thing to have. Oh my gosh, the table, the chair. I've been waiting.
When we first came here, there was a table in there, but it never looked like there was any activity. Of course, the kitchen was hideous.
Yeah.
It felt so small, and just taking down a wall made this amazing kitchen.
Honestly, it doesn't feel like you just like, we're like, oh, any new kitchen can go in their house. It's like the kitchen that we need for our family. And it means a lot to us that you put so much heart into it because you can really see it. You can really feel it.
Just to be able to give this space to you and know that there's gonna be so many memories around this table with so many family members is just, that's wow, just.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's go see this mudroom.
Oh. Wow. Look at this space.
I can't believe it.
You had the toilet here, no sink, there was a wall here. The washer and dryer was here and it was so tight. So we were able to move those upstairs and give you a lot more room.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I love the painted trim. This reminds me of the Merchant. This is just perfect.
So a little bit of surprise. There used to be a door there, which now you know is gone.
Yeah.
It was sentimental to you guys. So we have this for
Oh, it still has their heights and stuff on it. That's amazing. An actual sink.
Yes.
A sink in the bathroom. Not just a
What a
toilet
concept.
anymore. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I just really love it, so thank you.